Solve and drop the solution set. So, ipapaliwanag natin yung solusyon na ito. Solving linear inequalities in one variable. So, ito yung pinaka-problem natin. Negative 2 quantity of x plus 8 plus 6 is greater than or equal to 20. So, yung first step natin ay distributive. I-distribute natin yung negative 2 sa x at ang negative 2 sa 8. So, negative 2 times x is negative 2x and negative 2 times 8 is negative 16. At i-bring down lang ito. So, of course, combine like terms. I-solve natin yung like terms. So, negative 2x, i-bring down lang yan kasi nag-iisa lang naman siyang may variable. So, negative 16 plus 6 is negative 10. So, sila yung like terms. Ayan. So, next is solve for x. So, hindi natin pwedeng i-minus yung negative 2x at 10 kasi hindi naman sila like terms. So, ito, paano ito naging 30? Gumamit kasi tayo dito ng transposition method or yung addition property. Yeah, so, lagyan natin ito. So, ganito na yan. So, yung negative 10, transfer sa kabila, yun ay magiging positive 10. So, take note, from negative 10, naging positive 10. So, mawala na dito yung negative 10. So, kaya negative 2x na. 20 plus 10 is 30. And, i-cancel, i-divide natin both sides by negative 2 para x na lang yung maiwan dito. So, dahil negative yung dinivide natin sa negative both sides, i-reverse natin yung inequality. So, from greater than or equal, naging less than or equal. And dahil may equal yung inequality natin, yung graph ay sa x is less than or equal negative 15, solid yung plot. Ibig sabihin, kasali yung negative 15 sa solusyon. And then, less than siya, so to the left yung graph. So, yung solution natin is from negative 15 down to negative 20 and so on. So, kapag isulat natin ito sa interval notation, ganito lang yan. So, negative infinity, ibig sabihin, lahat ng negative mula sa negative 15 ay kasali.